Okay, so we'll solve May, June 23. We'll solve the presentation authoring part of this. So here we go. You'll find this over here. Task 4 is the present authoring. We're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 6 slides using this file. Unless otherwise instructed, the slide must display a title and a bullet list. Okay, fine. So first of all, what we can do is, we need to actually do is, we need to open up Scratch. So this is the file. Open the file and see that do you have the content inside. So this is the content which is inside this particular file. Okay, it's too much zoomed in. This is what we have. Okay, whatever. So what I'll do is I'll just copy the path and I'll open up PowerPoint. And what we'll do is we'll go to File, we'll go to Open, we'll browse, and we'll simply enter the path over here. An important thing, Ayan, I have to do all files. And we have to open up Scratch. Are you with me? Yes, Ayan?
Yes, sir.
Open. Okay, good. You see, as soon as I open this up, I get all the slides over here. Let's see the question again. So it said, unless otherwise instructed, the slides must display a title and a summary. Okay. So you see all the slides should have a title and actually a subtitle. Okay. We'll just look at this. Must have displayed title and bullet list. Sorry, not all of them have it. Use the master slide to display only the following features. Automated slide number on the top right. So we'll go into view. We'll go into slide master. Automatically, we know takes us to the end. I told you when we open an RTF file, it automatically takes us to the last one. So we need the automated slide number on the top right. So I'll carry this and I'll bring this to the top right. I'll make sure this is bold and this much size, right? Your name, center number, and candidate number should be where? Should be on the bottom left. So in the bottom, this is my left. I can display over here is the following details. For example, okay, I can somehow also make this black and more visible. A 3 to 4 point wide horizontal line about 3 centimeter from the top of the slide above view details, okay, and across the full width of the slide. So we have to have 3.4 wide, okay, horizontal line 3 centimeters from the bottom of the slide above view details. So we have to have a line over here. Now, the best way you can do actually this is, you can actually view the ruler over here. Okay, you can view the ruler. So you see over here is I can have is, so it's 3 centimeter. You can see from here. Yeah, can you see that? Okay. So I have like I can do it from here. Or I can even change the settings, options, advanced, and just 1 second. It is in Word, but it's also over here somewhere. I will, if it's not, no problem, we can do the other way as well. Anyway, so we have to make we have to make a line over here, okay, which is 3 centimeter from the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll simply just need to insert is a line. So I'll use a shape. You can hold shift. So exactly over here, from here. Okay, and here. But I'll make sure that I go to the properties, format shape, and I'm going to make it 3 point at least, they've said. Okay, thick. And it should be which color have they mentioned? A 3 point with horizontal line, 3 bottom of the details, so they haven't mentioned. So make sure the master slide items appear in the same position every slide, no overlaps. So once we're done with this, you close this, and you can see I have all the details, but I don't get the details here. Well, obviously, I go into insert. Okay, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, click on slide number and put the slide number, uh, put the date and time, whatever details you have, and you say apply to all. You get the following details here. You get my point, right? They are available over here. Right? What else? Format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied with no bullets. Our title and subtitle text are center line, so very simple. I just need to do is change the layout. So to click on this layout and make it the title layout. Okay.
Okay.
Use the data in the file list to create a pie chart to compare the number of race wins by each group. So you see I have over here is winners. And what we have to do for each group. So this is what we have. So we just need to make is a pie chart of the following. And any other thing? Format the chart to display only group names and percentages as sector. So we need to have, so we have the percentages, but we need the percentage and the group name. So 1 second. We have an option over here. No. Yes. So you see the percentage and the group name. You get my point. Okay. Group name and percentage sector. Positions label outside. Position these labels outside each chart sector. So what we need to do is we want these labels actually. There must be this option. Okay, they're outside. The labels are outside. Are you following me? Okay. Display the percentage value 1 decimal place. It's already in 1 decimal place. Okay, in 1 decimal place. So we can simply click on. Actually, we should have done it over here. But what we can do is we can even go into format. Okay. I can try it from here. Otherwise, we have to number. Percentage and 1 decimal place. You get my point. We remember this, right? Okay, I'm
Yes, sir.
recording and I can share with you. So
Okay.
do not display legends. So we don't have a legend. Legend are the keys
Sir,
that.
I'm coming. Okay, 1 second. Sir, I'll be back 1 second.
Sorry.
I'll be back 1 second.
So I have to do this. I have to display this as a heading in my graph chart. Control V. Okay. Right. And what else? So now done. Yeah, emphasize the group largest. Emphasize the group with the largest percentage by pulling only the sector away from the other group. So how do we do that? That's the largest. Just double click on this, and you can drag it a bit up. Okay. Place this chart to the right of the bullets on the slide with scratch group cyclist. So we'll just copy this and yeah. So we have to place it where? We have to place it the right of the bullet. So just paste it here. But obviously you can see we don't have enough space. So again, we have to do is oh, um, we are allowed to do this, and we can simply take this and place it to the right of this. Make sure no words are split. They are not. All data and labels are fully visible. The chart and the content do not overlap, and they don't. Add the following text as presenter speaker notes to the slide with the title, this. So we have to add the following presenter notes, scratch group cyclists. So over here, you can see is I have over here is notes. So we need to add the following presenter notes over here. Print only this slide as presenter notes in portrait form, fine. Okay, so we have to print this slide. So this is slide 6, so we'll go to file, go to print. We'll select from here is notes pages, and we'll print this or with the, we'll just print this slide 6 one. Okay. On your slide with title handicaps, format the text, raise director, so that when clicked, it opens up an email editor to send the message to this with the subject this. In your evidence document, a screenshot showing the link text, email address, and subject. So we have to open up over here is the slide with title handicaps. Okay, and the text race director, this one. When clicked, it opens up an email editor to send a message to this. So I will obviously I need to. Okay, I can actually remove that afterwards. So I can copy this. And what I'll do is I need to link this. In the insert, you'll find the link. I'll link it to the following link. Oh, I don't want to type it. Okay. So it's RD at the rate. Oh, hold on, it should copy. It should copy. Yes. Fine. With the subject, are you with me, Ann?
Yes, sir.
Right. With the subject this. So we have to give it evidence of this in our evidence document, yes or no. Save the presentation. Print the full presentation as hundreds in portrait with 2 slides on the page. So we have to print now, okay. We will actually go to file, we'll go to print, and we're going to print is 2 slides to a page, and we'll print them out. Okay, so you have to make sure that your name sender can remember representing all the printouts that you print. Yes or no?